This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials: a Google account and admin access to your website. Once ready, open Google Analytics and click Create Account. Name it, set data sharing options. Next, create a GA4 property. Pick a clear property name, time zone, and currency, because those affect reports. After that, choose Web Data Stream and enter your site URL and stream name. Now you've initiated the property. Make sure to keep this browser tab open while you grab the measurement info needed for tagging. You'll now add the tracking tag so Analytics receives data. First, copy the measurement ID from the GA4 web stream. It starts with G. If you prefer quick setup, paste the G tag. JS snippet into your site's head. This sends page view events immediately. Alternatively, use Google Tag Manager for cleaner management. Create a GA4 configuration tag and publish. Once done, open Debug View and real-time reports to confirm hits. This proves your tag is firing and explains why visibility matters for accurate reporting. You finish by verifying data flow and configuring essential settings. First, watch real-time to see immediate activity. Expect full reporting within 24 hours. Then create conversion events, link Google Search Console, and adjust data retention and consent settings so your reports match privacy needs. Make sure to annotate major changes. They help interpretation later. If data doesn't appear, check tag placement in the head, clear caches, disable ad blockers, and ensure any consent banners allow Analytics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.